This is Troy with iGrow Salons, and in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Facebook ads to get more clients into your braiding studio, or any salon owner or stylist that does braids. You want more braiding clients, crochets, box braids, those type of things. I'll be showing you step by step how to do that in this video. So the first thing you want to do is click on the create button, and I'm just gonna put X as placeholders, but you can swap out the names later. And we're going to do a message campaign. This means when someone responds to our ad, they click on our call to action button. It's going to take them to Facebook Messenger, so we'll be able to have a conversation with them in Messenger. And we're going to turn on campaign budget optimization, and that'll allow us to set our budget here at the campaign level. Whatever budget you're comfortable with, keep in mind the amount of budget determines the amount of reach, the amount of results you get per day. So if it costs you $25 in ad spend to acquire a client and you're running at a $5 per day budget, it will take you 5 days to see one client. At a $25, if it costs you $25 to acquire a client and you're spending $25 per day on ads, you should see a client every day. So keep that in mind. For this example, we'll be doing a $5 per day budget. And save draft. Okay, so now what you want to do is either click at the very top, it says one ad set, or on the left side, you're going to see 4 squares and an X. So that second X, so click here, and that's going to take us to the ad set level. That's where we do the targeting. So your message destination is going to be Messenger. Again, when they respond to this ad, it will open up a conversation in Facebook Messenger. For your location, you want to put your city in about a 25-mile radius. Since I'm in Dallas, I'll type in Dallas here. So notice every time we make a change, our audience size will change. So now we're looking at 4.3 million people. We're going to leave the age wide open, and we're going to go women. So now we're at 2.3 million people, and we're going to look for any braiding related interests. Let's see. Okay, that gave us an audience size of 230,000 people. You can add some other related interests like lace wig. And let's see. We can try human hair extensions as well. Human hair. Okay, that gives us a nice size audience of 310,000 people. And we're going to do manual placements here. So we only want these to run on Facebook. We could do Messenger, but for now we're just going to do Facebook. Okay, and that's it for the targeting. So 18 through 65 female interested in braids, human hair extensions, lace wig, women, and we're only running this on Facebook. So you can either click at the top where it says one ad, or you can click here on the left where it says it has the last X with this red triangle. So we're going to click here. And from here, you're going to create ads. So I would suggest doing a carousel ad or doing a single image or photo of your best work. So scroll down and we click add media, add image. And I'm going to upload from my computer. And from here, we're going to click done. Actually, we may need to edit this. Edit placement for feed. Since it's chopping off like the top of the head, we're going to have to crop this image. Let's see. Okay, there we go. So it looks a lot better. So go through your individual placements, and actually we don't even want this to run on search. So we're going to come back and we're going to edit placements. This should be on Facebook newsfeed only. So we're going to take off stories, search, marketplace. Okay, so now we're good. Now we go back to the ad level. Okay, so there we go. So for your primary text, this is your copy. So you can do something like
leaked all over the trunk.
Is it bad or something?
It stinks. When I got in the car, I was like, why does this car stink? And then did the laundry and noticed the whole thing is wet.
So for the primary text, you want to essentially call out to who it is that you're looking for. So you can say something like, hey, ladies, DFW. So since I'm in Dallas, I'm going to put DFW, means Dallas Fort Worth. Are you looking for affordable? And we can do neat and affordable. Again, your copy can be whatever you want. Neat and affordable braids. So our first line, we're calling out to them. And on your second line, you want to, make your offer or whatever it is that you're pitching. So whether it's like some type of special or your normal pricing, whatever that is, you want to put that in your second line. So this week only, we are offering 50 off all braid services. Tap the send. Then in the last line, we want to make a call to action. So tap the send message button to book or for more information. And for here, you can put book now. Then that's it. From here, you can go ahead. Well, actually, no, that's not it. We have one more change to make where it says start conversation. You want to edit this, and here you can do like pre-made question and answer. So about pricing, your location, how to book, things like that. You can already have the questions filled out with the answers. Once you fill this out, you click save and finish. Then from there, you click publish. Again, if you're running a smaller budget, like $5 per day, let your ads run at least, 2 weeks or so, before turning them off if you don't see any results. With a higher budget, such as a $20 per day budget, you may start seeing, clients booking or converting. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to get people messaging you, and probably out of like every 5 to 10 people that message you, one will book. So keep those numbers in mind as well. Everyone who messaged you won't book. So every 5 to 10 people, out of 5 to 10, one will book. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram at @iGrowSalons. If you want my personal help with setting up your ads, click the link in the description of this video to sign up for my coaching, where I show you step by step how to set everything up as well as how to scale your ads up. If you found this video helpful or useful, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.